Hello, today's our topic is MCQs on industrial management. This subject is very important for the electrical also the electronic student. So these MCQs are important for the online exam. So now we start. First is industrial safety includes options are A is labor, B is machine, C is material and D is everything. So the answer is option D, everything. Means industrial safety includes labors, machines, materials and everything. Next question is there are types of industry. 2, 3, 4, none of these. So your answer is option A, that is there are two types of industry. Question number 3 is industrial safety is needed to eliminate all kinds of accidents in order to avoid. Options are A is doctors to enter in the industry, B is work stoppage and production loss, C is running of machines, D is labor strikes. So our answer is option C, running of machines. Means industrial safety is needed to eliminate all kinds of accidents in order to avoid running of machines. Next is how many important points are considered in industrial safety. A is 5, B is 9, C is 7, D is 10. Answer is option B, 9. Means 9 important points are considered in industrial safety. So the question number 5 is how many objectives of industrial safety are there? Options are A is 7, B is 5, C is 2, D is 6. Correct answer is option D, means 6 objectives of industrial safety are there. Question number next is proper safety training is included in of industry. Options are A is planning, B is organizing, C is cooperating, D is none of the above. Answer is option B, means organizing. So proper safety training is included in organizing of industry. Next is accidents in the industries are always. Options are planned, B is deliberate, C is happiness and D is unexpected. So the accidents in the industries are always option D, unexpected. Question number 8 is any exposed or open part of a machine may be served as. Options are an excess part, B is an invitation to an accident, C is noticeable part, D is none of the above. So our answer is option B, an invitation to an accident. Means any exposed or open part of a machine may serve as any invitation to an accident. Next question is how many types of accidents are proposed in industries? Options are A is 6, B is 5, C is 7, D is 10. Correct answer is option B, means 5 types of accidents are proposed in industries. 10 is loss of life is the result of accident. A is near, B is travel, C is fatal, D is serious. So our correct answer is option B, travel accident. Means loss of life is the result of travel accident. Question number 11 is one of the common human causes of accident is. Options are A is working on machines without knowledge, B is not knowing of machines, C is planning with machines, D is driving on machines. So our answer is option A, working on machines without knowledge. Means one of the common human cause of accident is working on machines without knowledge. Question number 12 is improper plant layout results in causes of accidents. Options are A is human, B is electrical, C is mechanical, D is none of the above. Our answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 13 is environmental causes of accidents includes. Options are A is excessive light, B is very low, C is no proper ventilation, D is high speed fans. So the answer is option D, high speed fans. Means environmental causes of accidents includes high speed fans. Question number 14 is proper housekeeping reduces the risk of causes of accidents. A is mechanical, B is electrical, C is human, D is environment. So the answer is option D, that is environment. Means proper housekeeping reduces the risk of environment causes of accidents. 15 is workers can avoid accident. Options are A is reporting of any problem urgently, B is discussing any problems, C is waiting for a problem to solve, D is keeping mum. Answer is option A, reporting of any problem urgently. Next question is the first industrial act in India was passed in. Options are 1992, B is 1947, C is 1881, D is 1887. So our answer is option C, that is the first industrial act in India was passed in the 1881. Next question is which industrial act was considered as more impressive than others? Options are Act of 81, Act of 90, Act of 48, Act of 1947. Answer is option C, Act of 1948. Means 1948 Act was considered as more impressive than others. Question number 18 is how many provisions are there for the health of workers in the Act? Options are A is 10, B is 9, C is 8, D is 5. Our answer is option B, that is 9 provisions are there for the health of workers in the Act. Question number 19 is canteen is the provision for the workers for his safety, for his health, for his facility or for his welfare. So our answer is option D, means canteen is the provision for the workers for his welfare. Last question is that general safety for office comes under section. Options are 84, 92, 90, 96. Correct answer is option B, that is general safety for office comes under section 92. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.